So now we're about 20 minutes in our hike, and we have come across our next invasive species plant. It's called Japanese barberry. So it was introduced to the US in 1875. It actually came from seeds from Russia to the Arnold Arboretum in Boston. And then those seeds were transferred to the New York Botanic Gardens, where they grew into shrubs in 1896. And then it has spread ever since then across much of the eastern seaboard in the United States. So this plant actually is really difficult for us here in Maryland because it grows so densely that it creates this kind of microenvironment that's really humid and is very preferred by deer ticks. And as we all know, deer ticks are the host for Lyme disease, and that can spread. And so whenever we see Japanese barberry, we definitely want to try our best to get rid of it. Japanese barberry is listed as a Tier 2 invasive plant here in Maryland, which means that it can still be sold at nurseries, but it has to have a sign that says it is an invasive species. The last thing I'd love to share with you about the Japanese barberry is that it has one of those special qualities of an invasive plant where its leaf litter, when it drops its leaves every year, can alter the chemistry of the soil around it. So much so that it makes the soil not a great place for our native plants to grow. So it definitely has its fair share of difficult characteristics as an invasive plant in Bacon Ridge National Area.